13 members of the Southern Kentucky Wild Ones Chapter toured my native garden on a Saturday morning in August. Wild Ones is an organization that promotes the use of native plants in landscaping to preserve biodiversity. My garden has over 100 species of native plants, and 25 of them were blooming just in time for the tour. They included some of the more familiar plants, like Joe Pieweed, phlox, black-eyed Susan, and oak-leaf hydrangea. Some of the gardeners admired the more unusual flowers, like smooth rock cress, rattlesnake master, American dittany, and blazing star. Native grasses and ferns are often overlooked, but they can add support and background to a healthy native garden. Some of the grasses featured were little blue stem, river oats, and purple lovegrass. And sensitive fern and Christmas fern grow wild in my yard. Several members took photos of the many flowers and the insects that visit them, including this unusual fly. I shared the usual problems of poor choice of plants for the soil and light conditions, and wildflowers popping up in unexpected places, and also shared success stories of finding the right plant for the right place.
I have some passion flower vine, and this year I've had more than I've ever had before. And of course it attaches itself to everything, so I'm trying to control it as much as I can because it's a beautiful vine and I really don't want to pull it out. So I bought this little trellis and I put up some sticks on that side, and now I've noticed it's coming up over here, but I just leave it because it's a wonderful plant.
We enjoyed each other's company and had a few laughs along the way. If you have a Wild Ones chapter in your area, I encourage you to check it out. It's a great way to meet other people interested in native landscaping, and you can learn so much from them. That's it for this special edition of the Kentucky Native Garden Channel. I'm Barbara, and if you like this video, I hope you will subscribe to see more.